Hello, everybody, and welcome back. We are officially unpacked, or at least most of the boxes are behind the couch here in Da Nang, Vietnam. When you first moved here, there are a million little questions that Google just can't answer. You need the local life cheat sheet. So, after a few weeks of figuring things out, often the hard way, I am giving you my essential knowledge dump. This is the stuff that turns a tourist stay into actual, comfortable Da Nang life. We're talking house cleaning, hydration, and the one weather issue that will ruin your shoes if you don't handle it. We are going to be covering three main things today. First, the essential app, bTaskee. Second, the water delivery secret. And third, humidity check. Do you need a humidifier? So let's dive in. Um, my number one time saver in central Vietnam has been the bTaskee app. If you live in Ho Chi Minh City or Hanoi, you probably know this already. But for the Nang expats, this app is a game changer. Uh, think of it as Uber for home service. You need your apartment clean. You book a tasker for 2, 3, or even 4 hours. You set the price based on time, and a trusted, vetted local worker shows up. It's incredibly transparent, reliable, and honestly, the prices are ridiculously affordable. But it's not just cleaning though. The most valuable service, especially here in Da Nang, is the air conditioner cleaning. You must do this every 3 to 6 months. Why? Because of the dust from the constructions and the humidity. Um, those filters clog up fast. You book it on the app, they come, and your AC runs like new. Um, Here's a pro tip for you. If you're struggling with laundry, especially the big stuff like the blankets or the duvets, the sheets, many of the taskers offer a laundry service too. It's perfect for those of us living near the My Khe Beach area who are often dealing with sands and salt water. Now, let's talk water. You cannot drink the tap water here. The solution is the huge 20-liter jugs of purified water. But how do you order them like a local? You don't use the app like Grab for this. Um, at least not usually. Um, Give me 1 second. Say hi. This is Leo. Um, the best way is to use Zalo, Vietnam's local messaging app, or simply call a local water agent. Look for storefronts that sell cooking gas and water, or find a distributor for a brand like La Vie or Aquafina on Google Maps and call them. Here's the final uh, 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 financial breakdown. First, you pay a one-time bottle deposit, usually around 50K, $2 per jug. This is your insurance. Second, the water itself is cheap, around 30 to 35K per refill. Delivery is usually free if you buy two or more at a time. Right, Leo? Yep. Rookie mistakes alert. Never let your last jerk run out, right? When um when your second to last bottle is empty, that's your signal to call uh, or Zalo your guy. It's usually delivered within an hour or two right to your door. Get that hot cold water dispenser. It is the best purchase you'll make for your Da Nang kitchen. Uh, Now, for the truly hidden enemy of long-term Da Nang life, right here, the humidity. Da Nang's tropical climate means humidity often sits between 75 to 90%, especially during the rainy season, from October to February. And that moisture doesn't just make you feel sticky, it attacks your belongings. Um, if you have leather, electronics, books, you need to be proactive. Um, I am talking about mold and mildew. It can grow on your shoes overnight. Your AC helps, but it's not enough. Um, the humidifier question. Do you need one? The short answer is yes. If your apartment's relative humidity is consistently above 60%, uh, and it will be, you need a dehumidifier, I'm sorry, especially for your bedroom and closet. This is how the locals handle it. They run small, portable dehumidifiers in the winter months, and they keep their AC on dry mode in the summer. Don't skim on this one. Um, it will save your clothes, your gadgets, and your sanity. You can pick up affordable units at a local electronics store like Ding Mai San. Um, so, there you have it, the three essential secrets to settling in and starting to live like a local in Da Nang. Don't be afraid to utilize these local services. They are cheap, reliable, and they are what truly makes life here so easy and affordable. If you found these tips helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and tell me in the comments below what Da Nang local hack did I miss. And stay tuned for next week. We'll be doing a full cost of living breakdown for the Angton area, the popular Da Nang expat neighborhood. You don't want to miss that. See you then.